Good day to all dear students. I am Rashid Lal, your English teacher. Welcome to online class. Dear students, we will follow this book. This is English book 2 for class 10th, Sindh textbook Jamshoro. Today's topic is the voice of God. The voice of God is the first chapter. This is poem. First, I will explain about the introduction of the poet. Kindly read and understand the introduction of the poet because a lot of things come in exam from the biography of the poet. Introduction of the poet. Louis I. Newman was born December 20th, 1893 and died on March 9, 1972. Its age was 78. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island in United States of America. He received his early education in Rhode Island and then he studied at Brown University. He received his doctorate degree, then appointed as a lecturer at the University of Columbia. Dear student, doctorate means PhD degree. He was a religious minded person, therefore he wrote many books on religious subjects. This poem also brings out his religious bent of mind. Before starting the poem, first I'll give you the meanings of the word. Sought means searched, climbed, went up, topmost, highest, steeple, a church tower, declared, announced, dwell, to live. This is the poem. This is a very small poem having few lines and leaving us a very big message which we have to follow that. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple, but God declared, go down again, I dwell among the people. As you know, this poem is giving us a very big message, and we need to see why did the poet climb on the high place. The poet Louis I. Newman says that he had a great wish of hearing the voice of God. For this purpose, he climbed the highest part of a religious building. When he reached there, God ordered him to go down because he lives among the people. As I ask you the question, why did he climb the highest place? Here, he climbed the highest place to reduce the physical distance between God and him. That's why he went the highest place, and this is the message. Dear student, the voice of God means the message of God. We need to see what is the message of God for us through this poem. The message of God is to serve humanity without any discrimination. Dear student, do not keep this message only for the sake of study. Try to use this message in your practical life. Students, as you know, Study means to change. I hope the message of this poem will bring change in your lives and you will serve the fellow humanity without any discrimination. The message of the poem is God lives among us, God lives in our heart. So do not try to break the heart of others because consider that God lives in our heart. God lives in every man's heart. So I hope you will follow the message and you will find this message in your practical life and you will love humanity. Thank you. Home task. Number one question is, why did author climb the steeple? Number two, why did God tell him to go down again? Number three, write central idea of the poem, The Voice of God. Note, kindly do this home task on your school copy. Thanks, stay home and be safe.